Why most pig farmers lose money before the piglets are born. Many pig farmers pick just any female to become a sow based on looks, size, or just one successful birth. But here's the truth. Not all pigs should be a mother's, and selecting the wrong one can cost you feed time and profits. To build a profitable piggery, you need to choose sows that can consistently deliver large, healthy piglets and raise them well. Here's how to spot a good sow. One, check her background. Was the sow born from a litter of 10 to 12 and weaned 8 to 10 piglets? Good fertility and mothering ability often run in the family. Two, count those nipples. A productive sow needs 12 to 14 well-spaced nipples. That's how the sow feeds the piglets without stress and fighting. Three, look at the legs and body. Can the sow walk steadily? Is the back strong? A pregnant sow carries a lot of weight. The sow needs strong legs and a solid frame to stay healthy. Four, watch her temperament. Aggressive sows often hurt their piglets. Choose a calm, motherly pig that bonds with their piglets. If you're planning to buy gilts, pick the best you can afford. Good genetics plus good care equals profits. If you like the content on my channel, please consider subscribing to stay updated on new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.